Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the tax forms on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here in this video, we are just going to follow this article of the customer service on eBay. And from here, we can learn that you will receive this form from eBay. So basically, it is if you are eligible like to get these forms, for example, depends like on the state and etc. You will automatically receive a form or in your eBay account, and then you can download the electronic copy into the Seller Hub and My eBay. And to get the physical copy of your form as well, simply turn electronic delivery on your tax page to off. So basically, if you are limited liability company, you can register as seller, etc. And from here, we can learn also another way to get your form detailed report, like the 1099K. And basically, to get it, you will need just to go to the payments tab in the seller hub. So here in my eBay, we will go to selling, and from there, we will need just like to go here to the payments tab. So from payments, we will find taxes and reports. And basically, then you will be able to find like uh, the select the details reports, and then you will click on generate. By clicking on generate, you will get or you will be able to download these reports, and basically you will do whatever you like with it. And basically, once your report is available to download, you will be able to download it, and you will be notified by email. So simply that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.